Hello, this is Wade Tech. My name is Roxanne, and I'm here to talk to you about 7 benefits of doing a website analysis. Now, if you are wanting to have your website a little faster, convert a little bit better, stay tuned. I'm going to go over the 7 benefits that is going to help you. Okay. Number 1, fix errors in your website. You're probably thinking nothing is wrong, but when you really look under the hood of the website that you have, you might find that there's a lot of errors, a lot of problems in your website. Like you might be running a little slow, the links might be pointing to a wrong page, but who knows until you do these tests. And so I have some free resources on my blog to help you. One of them is called testmysite.thinkwithgoogle.com. And this is going to help you find out about your mobile app performance test by Google. And it's totally free. Another test you could do is gtmetrics.com. That is another free resource you can go to check your desktop browser loading time. And so the next benefit I want to talk about is number 2, improve performance and speed. Now you really want to have your website load in 2 seconds or less. I know that sounds a little too out of reach, but it's certainly doable, because if your website loads 3 seconds or more, it could cost you a lot of money. Because imagine if you have an e-commerce site and it's making $100,000 per day. 1 second delay could potentially cost you $2.5 million and lost sales every year. So you really want to get your website up to speed. So I also have another resource that you could look at to make your website a little faster, and it's called optimizilla.com. You go there and you can compress all your images to shrink down the file size. Now this is great because it will help your website to load faster, because images takes a long time to load. So make sure you compress all your images. Number 3, benefit of doing a website analysis is having an online reputation and really good quality backlinks. Now, Google tracks everything. So they have an algorithm for tracking backlinks. So you want to make sure that your backlinks are really high quality. You can go to sites like, for instance, Facebook.com, Twitter. They're all quality examples of a highly reputable backlink. Number 4 is having website security. I cannot tell you how important this is to guard against hackers. And one of the ways that you could do this is by updating your plugins and applications. And also, when you're working on an application, make sure you do all your patches and your updates together, never separately, because this could potentially have loopholes where people could break in. You also want to have a secure firewall and antivirus protection, and run IPS and IDS. Number 5 benefit of doing a website analysis is installing Google Analytics. Google Analytics is totally free, and it helps you to understand your customers better through your data, helps you to get better results. You can even look at the bounce rate on your website and look at how much time your customers or clients are spending and looking at your blog posts or your content. Number 6 benefit of doing a website analysis is having a social media analysis. Really looking on what your customers are looking at. what platforms do your target customers use? Is it Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram? And what platforms are appropriate for your business model? Now, your target audience might not be all the same. You might be targeting older people from the ages from 40 and up, 40 to 60, 40 to 70. Now, those are the type of people that are likely to spend their time on Twitter and Facebook. So you might want to do a little bit more research on that. Another question you could ask yourself is, what platforms are appropriate for your business model? That kind of goes along with question number 1. What target audience is appropriate for what kind of platforms are you going to use? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. What kind of content does your customers enjoy? Do they enjoy looking at financial content, or tech advice, or even health advice? You might want to tailor your content according to your customers. And are you producing regular content? Are you producing it every week, once a week, twice a week? When does your customers expect you to produce a video or a blog post? And then what time of day are you posting? Is it morning, afternoon, or evening? What time of day does it work for you? Are your clients or customers engaging with you in the mornings or even afternoons, at lunchtime? And the last question is, which posts are getting the most likes and engagement? This is important to know what kind of posts is your clients having to comment on. What are they liking? So look at that. And also I have included some tools to analyze your social media. One is Sprout Social. The next one is Snaplytics for Snapchat and Instagram. The next one is BuzzSumo for content and sharing content with Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram and other social media networks. The last benefit I wanted to go over is SEO. Now, doing a website analysis is looking also at your SEO and how are you increasing traffic and awareness to improve all your rankings in search engines like Google. Are you looking at the right keywords, phrases, and the game plan? So you might want to look at that. And why does my website need SEO? So you might want to take a look at my blog. And if you don't really know too much about SEO, please check out my article on SEO and ask me about a free website analysis. Yes, I do a free website analysis on your content, and I test both your desktop and your mobile devices to see how your website is performing. And this is 100% free. And it'll take 1 day to do, and I'll give you a report the next day. So if you want more information about that, definitely let me know and contact me about it. If you really liked this video and you learned a whole bunch from it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.